how to unblock someone on TikTok that I blocked before on my TikTok account. Today guys, I will teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to TikTok. Then when you open your TikTok, you will just go to your profile. Open your profile, then go to this three line here. Then go to settings and privacy, then go to privacy, then go to the last option, blocked account, and here you will find the list of your blocked account and how to unblock them. You will just go to, now open profile, as you see you block it, so I can see videos. I will now go to unblock and click, and then when I open this profile I can see the videos and I unblock him correctly. And that's it. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next.